welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be looking at the BESTMOW T100 robotic lawnmower with AI technology. This mower is real easy to set up, very advanced, no wires to bury, it's completely wireless. The charging station here, you mount it outside with a clear view of the sky. It needs to be able to access Wi-Fi as well. It comes with an RTK satellite antenna that we've already set up outside. It comes with all these accessories. It comes with extra blades, a whole box of extra cutting blades. I don't know how many in here, but there's a bunch. Cutting wheels that holds the blades, extra one of those. A tool to help secure the cutting wheel when you're changing out blades. You can use the app to map out your zone. I think the easiest thing to do is you can hook this on the front of the mower and use the app and drag the mower around the outside perimeter of the edge of your zone and map it that way. To me, it just seems much easier. This works a lot like a shower curtain. It telescopes, then you twist it and it locks. Also, you can set up no zones like around a tree or a flower bed. This mower is made to where you can wash it off. You can set it up on its end like this, and you can wash it off with a garden hose. It's got these 3 cutting blades on it that make it real easy to cut. With this advanced obstacle detection system, if it was to come up and there would be a cat in the way, it would go around it. Automatic self-charging. It'll come back to the charging station when it needs a charge. It's good for 1.5 acres. It'll mow a little over 1/2 acre a day is what it's rated at. It's got an emergency stop button. If you hit that button, it'll shut down. It comes with this real nice weather canopy. A lot of the competition out there, you have to buy this separate. Well, this comes with the BESTMOW, and I don't have it screwed on there yet because I need it off for now so I can see what I'm doing. It comes with 2 very nice quick start charts. Very easy to understand, very easy to set up. It needs to be outside before you plug it in because it hooks to Wi-Fi and it hooks to the satellite, and you really need to be able to do all that to bring it up. BESTMOW is having a contest. They're giving away one of these lawnmowers. I'm going to tell you later in this video how you can win this lawnmower, and I'm also going to give you some tips on how to better your odds. So pay attention. A little later in the video, I'm going to tell you how to enter the contest. Why mow when you can BESTMOW? This is the best way right here. The quality of this mower is really built well. I mean, you can tell when you pick it up, you got a hold of something. It's not light and flimsy. Really solid rubber tires. BESTMOW has 2 different ways you can get one of these mowers. Yeah, you can outright buy it from them. That's one way. The other way is for a low monthly subscription, they'll set one of these up at your home and help you get it going and running and everything. But you'll have to check their website for the details and pricing. I don't want to say a price on the camera because it could be different in 6 months. But I think that subscription is a pretty good idea because it looks like it's less than having somebody come and mow your yard one time. You could have this thing mow all month long, and so I think that's a pretty good deal. The mowing height adjustment is under this cover. There are 3 settings: 1.57 inches, 2.36 inches, and 4 inches. For this test, we're going to leave it at 2.36 inches. The app made setting up this first zone quick and easy. I was actually up and mowing in a matter of minutes. This first zone I set up took about 18 minutes to mow. With the app, you can set up multiple zones, schedule mowing days, and mowing patterns. It's a pretty cool app with a lot of features and very straightforward and easy to use. I had this second zone set up even faster as I became more familiar with the app. This zone took about 25 minutes to mow. There's multiple ways to map out the zones in the app. but using the pull stick to go around the perimeter of the zone worked best for me. It was quick and easy. Okay, while this mower's mowing for us, I'm going to tell you how to get in on this contest to win one of these BESTMOWs. They're giving away limited quantities, so get your name in the hat as fast as you can. Make a comment down below this video and use phrases like BESTMOW, I want a BESTMOW, I like BESTMOW. That will automatically put your name in the hat for the contest. Now here's how to better your odds of winning. On BESTMOW's website, down at the bottom, there's links to their social media sites. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all of them are there. If you're on any of those platforms, just send BESTMOW a message. Let them know you saw this video, you like this mower, you want one of these mowers. I believe that will better your chances of winning one of these. The winners will be posted on those social media sites. After 45 years of working on these gasoline walk-behind mowers, I can tell you that I'm very, very impressed at what this thing does, how it performed, how the grass looks after it mows, how easy it was to set up. No gas, no oil, no headaches. I mean, you just turn it on, set up your zone, and turn it loose. The app's really, really good. You can set up schedules, you can set up patterns, multiple zones. This first little area out here that I mowed in is really rough. There's rocks out there. It's not the ideal place to test one of these, but I could see this robot, when it came up to any rocks or divots or anything, it would stop and evaluate it and take off. One thing that I was really impressed with is it actually cleaned up my mapping. I drug this mower around the edge. Well, it went back and looked, and I don't know if you noticed or not, but it moved a little bit. It got straighter lines and just neatened up that zone. Did a better job than I did of mapping out that zone. So these things learn. They got AI technology. They're just going to get better. Thank you for watching, and enjoy watching this mower mow.